Coffee Cups. Today we're going to talk about Purple's true identity. Now before we start this video, please consider liking and subscribing if you want more amazing Rainbow Friends content like this. Anyways, without further ado, let's get this started. So first of all, let me just say this. For months we've wondered what Purple could look like after all. We've only ever seen Purple's long rubber arms, big glowing eyes, and his giant sharp teeth. We hoped in Chapter 2 we could see more of him, but we were wrong. All we saw in Chapter 2 were his long arms trying to kill us. We also saw he had a lair. We were all kind of disappointed about Purple's reveal not being in Chapter 2. However, no worries because I have the answer. So, we only have 2 official renders of real Purple right now. However, it's not in the way you would expect. The only available real Purple right now is seen in the Rainbow Friends Mystery Figure set. Pay attention to the cover closely, you can see Purple's full body. The set also includes metallic figures. Purple just so happens to be one of them. But hey, this could just be a design choice after all, since the design that was chosen was made by a fan. But who knows, there are lots of examples where games add in fan-made characters. Just Poppy Playtime, Garden of Banban, and Doors. So I could in fact be wrong. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like it and subscribe. Anyways, I'll see you later. Goodbye.